Are you currently having problems with your vanilla gift card not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you could fix this issue. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end and follow along step by step to make it work, just so you know. So the first step is going to be for us to go into Google and then search vanilla gift card, as you can see. So search for this, because then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. Now what you're going to do is to select this result right here from Vanilla Gift Card's official website. So just click right here and then you should be taken to this page right here. So the first reason why your vanilla gift card probably is not working is because you haven't yet activated it. So you need to come to this page right here and then you're going to click on activate your card. So click right here, and as you can see, enter card details to check balance, review transaction, or activate gift card. So you need to actually have your vanilla gift card ready to actually check your card number, expiration dates, and the CVV number, as you can see. So this is the information that you need to fill in here, and then click on continue to be able to activate your vanilla gift card. If it's still not working for you, even after you have activated it, or you have already activated it and it's still not working, well then it might also be the reason that your vanilla gift card is outdated. So if you have bought it like a couple of years ago maybe and you want to use it now, well then that might be the reason, just so you know. If it's still not working, you can always contact their support on their website, as you can see. You can just click on help right here, and then you can select this one, contact us. As you can see, you need to select which one of your cards. We can take this one as an example, and then you will be able to see their contact details right here. You can always contact them if something is wrong, and hopefully this will solve this issue for you. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.